Brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, Assalamu alaikum. It is indeed my privilege, my honor to welcome you, brother, to the historical city of Multan and to this beautiful, momentous occasion, the inauguration of the Turkish Marif International School. Your presence here as the esteemed Minister of Education of the Republic of Turkey symbolizes the deep and enduring friendship between our two nations. And brother, please allow me to say that you indeed are a truly a man of letters, holding a PhD in politics and social sciences. Your journey as Undersecretary, then as a rector to the Ankara University, and from there to the Minister of National Education, it's both inspirational and glorious. It was wonderful meeting with you. We are honored to have you with us today, as your leadership and dedication to education inspire us all greatly. I also extend a warm welcome to the distinguished members of the Marif Foundation, whose tireless efforts have made this institution a reality. Thank you for doing this wonderful work in Pakistan. Marif Foundation's commitment to fostering education and cultural exchange is a testament to the shared vision of Pakistan and Turkey. A vision where knowledge serves as a bridge to mutual progress and prosperity. On behalf of the people of Punjab, on behalf of the people of Pakistan, I thank you for your valuable contributions to the educational landscape of our region, of our country, and around the globe. Let me take this opportunity to express heartfelt gratitude to His Excellency, President Rajab Tayyip Erdogan, a true brother to Pakistan, whose unwavering support has strengthened the bond between our nations. In times of need, Excellency, Turkey has stood shoulder to shoulder with Pakistan. And President Erdogan's vision of cooperation has been instrumental in fostering progress and development in Punjab and across the country. May this bond of friendship and partnership continue to thrive for generations to come. And Turkey has stood true to the philosophy of two nations, one future. I look forward to working with you, inshallah, in the field of education. Thank you very much, Excellency. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.